Now the next one is square root 2x plus 9 equals 13 minus x. Now this is basically the equation of the form square root ax plus b equals cx plus d. Now we are going to find the solutions only for those for which ax plus b is greater than or equal to 0 and cx plus d is greater than or equal to 0. Those values of x which do not satisfy these conditions are called extraneous values and such values are rejected. Also, we shall take only the positive value of the square root. Let's solve. We have square root of 2x plus 9 equals 13 minus x. Now squaring both the sides, so this becomes 2x plus 9 equals 13 minus x the whole square. Simplifying further, 13 minus x the whole square, you can apply the formula a minus b the whole square. This will give 169 minus 26x plus x square. Collecting the like terms together, now we have obtained this quadratic equation. Now get the factors. The coefficient of x square is 1, so 1 multiplied by 160 will give 160. So you need to find two numbers such that when you multiply you get 160 and when you add you get minus 28. Those two numbers are minus 20 and minus 8. Expressing the middle term as minus 20x minus 8x, taking out the common factor, now we have got two linear factors x minus 20 and x minus 8. Get the value of x now. X equals 20 or x equals 8. Now what we have to do is, we have to substitute x equals 20 in this equation. Let's mark this as 1. So we have to substitute x equals 20 in equation 1 and we have to verify whether left hand side equals right hand side. If left hand side equals right hand side, then that value of x satisfies this equation. So the solution set will have that value, but But if left hand side is not equal to right hand side, it means that value of x does not satisfy this equation 1. So that value is rejected. So what I am doing now is I am substituting x is equal to 20 in equation 1. Left hand side has square root of 2, x is 20 plus 9. This equals 40 plus 9, 49. Square root of 49 is 7. We are taking only the positive value of the square root. So left hand side equals 7. Now let's check the right hand side. Right hand side is 13 minus x, and x is 20 here. This equals minus 7. So this means here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So x equals 20 does not satisfy 1, so it is rejected. Now let's take x equals 8. Substitute x equals 8 in the left hand side of the given equation. Left hand side equals 5. Let's see how much do we get after solving right hand side. It is 13 minus 8, which equals 5. So here what we have obtained is left hand side equals right hand side. So this means x equals 8 satisfies equation 1. So the solution set will have 8. Now we have square root 3x square plus x plus 5 equals x minus 3. This is to be solved in a similar way as we have done the 10th one. So squaring both the sides, we will get 3x square plus x plus 5 equals x minus 3 the whole square. Simplify this. X minus 3 the whole square will give x square minus 6x plus 9. Now collect the like terms together. We get 2x square plus 7x minus 4 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Get the factors. To get the factors, first multiply 2 with minus 4. You will get minus 8. Now you want two numbers such that when you multiply you get minus 8, and when you add you get plus 7. So those two numbers are 8 and minus 1. Let's solve this. Take out common factors. Get the value of x. Now we have obtained two values of x, -4 and 1/2. Now we need to verify by substituting these values in this equation. So let us do it first for x equals -4. Left hand side, I am substituting the value of x as -4 in the left hand side of the equation. Left hand side gives the value as 7. Now right hand side has x -3. The value of x is -4. So it is -4 minus 3, which equals -7. This means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So the value x equals -4 does not satisfy this equation, so it is rejected. Now let us try for x equals 1/2. Solve this. Make the denominators equal. After solving left hand side for the value x equals 1/2, we get it 5/2. Now verify the right hand side. 1/2 minus 3. This will give -5/2. Again, for this value of x also, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So there is no single root which satisfy this equation. The solution set will be an empty set because there is no element or the number which satisfy this particular equation. So it will be only curly bracket with no number inside. So this is called as an empty set or null set. So you can represent it as this way or represent it by a symbol phi.